Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Don't miss out on this property investment in the desirable area of Waltham in Mandeville, Manchester. Here we have a spacious 7-bedroom, 4-bathroom house. It sits on quarter-acre of land. The living area is spacious, airy, and light. The master bedroom is spacious with built-in storage and an ensuite complete with a shower and jacuzzi. Some of the other bedrooms also have built-in closets. There is a nice-sized veranda, and the property is grilled. This house is in a quiet neighborhood, just 5 minutes outside of Mandeville town, where you will find local amenities like banks, restaurants, supermarkets, and plazas. Call today to arrange a viewing and make this house your forever home. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $487,200 to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.